What we found as a problem was a situation when a customer had to apply the glue and cure this glue, as mean time, money, and generally a lot of different other costs. What we propose is a solution as save the time for curing, a space. It can also reduce a material used for automotive elements production. Also can change the raw materials and many other elements. As I just explained, Valta is a team as grow on automotive market from the beginning. There are engineers responsible for different processes. What are our main challenge? First of all, it was shortening of the time installation. A little bit later, I will explain how it looks right now. Installation mobility. The problem right now is that the curing of the glue means a time and special conditions, humidity and temperature. Another challenge was creating a production line to implement it in the factories. Also, reduction of door dimensions. As you know, automotive market trying to reduce everything, all the cost, materials, the weight of vehicles, everything. So this is our reply for this request. Okay, and finally, the possibility of replacement of tempered glass for laminated. It's a kind of trend as is right now. I mentioned that right now the process of assembly of the glass is very long. Here are some examples, but generally the technology is very similar. It means that first of all, it's always a quality control, the greasing of the glass and the components, application of the primer, and then there is a glue application. Glue is a kind of liquid adhesive, and it means that the glue needs to be stabilized. This means that for more than 120 minutes should be in the same position without any move, and after that, up to 7 days, it should be again at the same position. It's mean a space for curing. Valta designed 3 steps and 3 products. ZAMPU 1 is a solution dedicated for low volume cars. It can be made manually, and you can see an example what is average cost of this application. ZAMPU 2 is a similar solution, but in this case we can produce in serial. Okay, ZAMPU 3 is a third solution, and here we can combine both of first solutions. It means can be applied to low and high volume product. You can see the average cost. Okay, some history. As I explained, Valta team contain a lot of people with huge experience on automotive market. And in 2006, it was a kind of idea. How can we help to the customer to reduce the time and cost in this process? On September, we opened a prototype center and start working on this project. It was a start of this idea development. 2001, we made a first milestone. And we are in 2002 when we already finished ZAMPU 1, ZAMPU 2, and we just created ZAMPU 3 idea. Okay. I think it's also worth to speak a little bit about the money right now. As you can see, the forecast of global demand for next 5 years is really interesting. And as we estimated, even if it's reduced, we estimated that we also can share this cake. Next 2 years means start of this project. It's mean mostly creation of production line, first implementation of this line. But in 2025, we already expect that we will really take this cake. As you see, we are focused on a few areas. Production and direct distribution of holder, sale and production of production lines, because we assume that it will be necessary also to make a training and make a service of this line, and we would like to also sell technology. Okay, as I explained, we would like to present this project not only to the glass manufacturers, but also to the car manufacturers, because it will reduce the logistic chain at the end. And reduction of logistic means money, of course. Okay, here we got Grzegorz as responsible for Malta. And thank you. That's all. Just one word to explain the situation. For this moment, we assume that it will be only automotive solution. But at the end, our target is to get also other business, because it can be also applied on hard industry or small appliances and many other industries. So automotive market, I think this is the harder customer, but they're well known for us. So I think it's a good start. Thank you.